Thank you for your purchase of Raptor 2-in-1 tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, wide rear wheelbase and cushion seat. This tricycle can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body, place the seat to the main body. You can fix it with the help of butterfly nuts. Now insert front wheel complete to main body. It's time to place handle to the fork. Fix handle to the fork with the help push buttons. Now fix handle cap with the help of provided flower nut using your hands. In the next step, place footrest to the main body with the help of nut and machine screw. Then, fix the handrest with the help of lock button. It's time to assemble parental handle. For this, insert flute pipe to main body and fix it with the screw and lock button. Then place movement rod to flute pipe with the help of provided nuts on both front and back side. Now place parental handle to flute pipe. Also fix parental handle to pipe with provided nut. Now place handle to the pipe and fix it with provided butterfly nuts. In the last step, place rear wheels to main body on both sides with the help of axle pin. Place wheel caps on both sides, lock it just by pushing it on the wheel. Your beautiful Raptor 2-in-1 tricycle is now ready to use. Ride, Kids' Pride.